Chad, what's up, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. Yeah, before the guys want to go, don't worry. I was just moving something. I was testing a new account. I'm just running now. So I was just making sure the lots are right over there. I'm not in a trade. I can literally show you guys. I'm not in anything. It was just a quick test on something. There's nothing. Jeff, look over my... Is there anything running? No nope. Trades running. Nope. I promise you guys.
0.
So literally, don't worry. We live trade here, boys. I'm not taking any trades that you guys are not a part of. All right. So do not stress. But what's up, baby? Again, we just were sorting out things, moving everything back from the podcast. What a good podcast with Miles. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Jeff, what's up, my brother?
I am doing good, man. I haven't felt as good in a very long time. How are you?
I'm always good, my boy.
So
let's see here, guys. We basically got 20 minutes till markets open. Let's see what we can look at. So just on the fundamental side of everything, guys, we literally have nothing today. So I'm not going to try to force anything for some volume. You got CAD and Euro, but literally all yellow folders, so nothing I'm even going to take note of there. It is a Friday, so we're just going to see purely now. I want to see if dollar can hold its strength. Dollar having a bit of a melt off from that support over there. Same thing we were talking about gold. Gold literally hitting its EQ and just melting away after that. We spoke about this break over here, and then there was the entry. Again, there was our trade, guys. How's that for trade management? Look at that little thing. Literally couldn't have worked that any better. So really prevented an our stop there earlier. Basically going break even on that trade. And then this massive move to the top side. So we are back under the support now. I want to see if gold will actually start holding this, or if we'll go back down to Asia lows. This is going to be quite an important one. I think if we start getting back above here, we can look for those longs if dollar fails to get strength on it again. Looking at the DXY, we are now back at the Asia lows. You can see that, so we basically traded down to our daily key level. On the higher time frame, you guys are going to see what we're looking at here. Trading to this key level, testing this 200. And again, guys, we spoke about how this 200 has been a general for the dollar. Look at this. Tested, test. Massive rejections on it. Literally being a warrior for the dollar. So again, quite a crucial part for us. Like I said to you guys, I'm only going to be going bearish when we can actually close underneath this key level of 103,450 basically. And also if we can take out that 200, if we can get under that 200, I'll happily go bearish. But until then, this thing can always reject. Keep in mind, this was a slow week for the dollar. Moving forward, that next week, every single day you've got important dollar news coming out, so just be alert for that one. Right. But again, going back to this now, guys, so on gold for the day, we are literally having a doji. But again, we actually spoke about this on the pod. Gold's been nowhere, guys. If you look at this, literally that has been the range for us the whole time. This over here, gold has done nothing, like absolutely nothing this week. So you can't tell me you've got anything really on gold. That has literally been the whole week, traded up and then just been stuck here. If you want to say already we're testing it there from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you've literally done nothing. And when you look at the day now, we are literally up 0.06% on the day, which is nothing. Literally almost a flat day completely. So again, just going to see what happens here. Can we get those tests and break and give us some type of thing? End of the day, all of our trades today are going to be purely technicals. Again, no fundamentals to give us any drive or understanding. So we're just going to see what happens here. Going over to Nas, guys, as I said to you, Nas, it looks more bullish on that higher time frame, but again, that's the move. It literally, we spoke about it. The close, taking out the highs, just had to hold the resistance and trade it up. So personally, that was your move. We always talk about, we want to see the lows being swept. There was your lows being swept, breaking, close, the pump to the top side, retest, and then all the way back up. So literally that move for me is done. You've missed that move. If anything, you haven't tested Asia highs for a hold. So depending on what happens with news coming out, or not news, with the markets opening, you could get a pullback. If you hold Asia highs, then look to continue higher. But that is pretty much it. For me, it's a chalk pair. Won't be trading that today. And US30 on the other hand, we haven't pulled back to go test the weekly resistance, the daily pivots, or the EQ. So always that possibility of going there. You've got equal lows that haven't been swept yet, so that is always a nice target. But we could just be holding Asia highs until we have that breakout and continuation. So just watch out for that. But again, gold I think is the baby for me today. We're gonna see what it can give us and take it from there. Jev, what are you looking at, brother?
So from my side, remember this morning we spoke about DXY? And as I told you guys that we have the supply zone up here, so price has respected that level. And once again, notice the S1, how price has now held that level. So one of two things can now happen looking at the daily. So we can't, okay, just be mindful, just be sorry about that, guys. Now it looks a bit messy, but this is just a arrow going to the downside. Let me actually remove that. So you can see here's the wick. Price has just tapped that zone. So I want to see on DXY one of two things happen now. So either change of character into the Asian lows, and then we might see something like this potentially happen, break above, come back, test the pivot, and then go up. Alternatively, looking at structure itself, we do have another break of structure down to the low. So Asian highs, Asian lows been swept, and then we can say at Asian highs there's a supply zone. So alternatively, if price doesn't come back into this level, we can go tap into that near the daily open. And then basically trade down like we discussed up until this level over here at the S1 at the open. So we'll have to wait and see what happens on that. And then looking at EU, if this structure holds on DXY, then we might potentially see this on EU. So Asian lows, Asian highs swept out. Asian low has been swept, so that is beautiful. So we could see something like this potentially happen at the daily open and the weekly R1. So we could potentially see price tap into this level and then move to the upside, targeting these highs that we discussed over here. And the only thing with that also said, GU. So GU also made a new high to the upside and then left us with this demand over here. Only thing that I don't like about GU is the fact that the Asian lows have not been swept as yet. So that's a bit risky. So price could potentially even do something like this when it comes to that level and then continue, you know. And then on gold, seeing that we have also made a new higher high. With that said, let me just double check something real quick. There we go. So same thing, Asian lows, Asian highs taken out. So one of two things, we have a supply zone at this level, so price hasn't tapped it as yet. So yeah, we can see price is really building up liquidity over there. However, if DXY holds, I'd like to see this happen on gold, coming back to the S1, imbalance, demand, and basically targeting the zone over here. Then potentially on GBP CAD, we might have price tap into the R2 over here and do something like this. And then the reason why I'm looking at GCAD is because also on CAD Yen we have a higher high form. So Asian lows not tested as yet, so also very similar. We might see price do something like this. Take out the lows, come hold it, and then target that R1. But not gonna force anything. It is Friday. Had a good day. So yeah, we'll just wait for a perfect pattern.
There we have it. Are you guys? Yes, it's you people are animals there. Don't worry, we're not taking any trades there, guys. I promise you. Just relax. And King Shark Keys, we Beamer Bros now. Awesome, brother. You saw the golf. What did you get? I hope it's something nice, bro. With that massive account you trade in, it better be something nice there. Let's see what happens, guys. Basically 10 minutes left till market open, so let's just see what we can get. Got some new music going here, so we're gonna see how this goes. King Shaq R is gone. F30 335 named Selena now. Ooh, Selena. I know exactly where that Selena's coming from.
Oh, now I know why I want to propose.
Slashy is like entering the casino and you hear ding 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 ding. You just want to gooi 1k on red. Yeah, to you guys. Oaks are animals. They just want to gooi right there. DXY, as you say, guys, just waiting. Can't take anything just of yet, so we're gonna see what happens. But trust me, guys, we're ready. Let's see if Friday we can finish strong. Ashland V cannot stay long, but you'll see you'll see for how long I can stay. Awesome, brother. All good. All good. At least make sure you drop that like before you leave. Jeff, how many trades have you taken this week, bro?
This week?
Yeah.
Not
this
a,
is what, like
not
300?
No, not a lot actually. My phone. Let me see.
Bro, I feel this has honestly been such a cuck week because there's been nothing I could trade. We took that one gold and literally the reversal. But that wasn't our bias, guys. You know what? The one thing about that, other than the trade management being good, the biggest thing was if you were probably a different strategy, you would have traded the bar. But that wasn't on the plan for us. But yeah, other than that, it has literally been a cuck week.
Okay, so it's hard to say how many trades I actually took because if I look at my orders, it says 41 filled. But then obviously I don't, when I place a trade,
31.
No, but what happens is when I take a trade, I place like 3 positions or 2 positions at a time, splitting my lot size. So it's either...
So yeah, that's my question. Why do you do that?
So what I don't like is, let's say for instance I'm busy and I can't check my phone, like you know that option when you close partially on your lot size. So if I'm not there, I can't do that. So I set a TP on each position at different levels, and then as they hit, I adjust my stop.
So why are you trading if you can't monitor your trade?
No, I hold my positions most zone to zone.
But then why you set alerts on your phone to go in?
So I don't know what's wrong with my trading in my phone. I don't know why I don't receive alerts. And also I have a Hawaii, so I need so I need a Gbox, but for some reason Gbox doesn't always respond. So for instance, I wouldn't get my alerts until I open my trading view on my phone.
Oh, Jeff.
Yeah.
You turn into a young barcode trader there.
No. It's not a barcode.
Yeah, he's got a mini barcode. That's a barcode on the 1 minute time frame. Agreed. This week has been the worst week so far for me. Not a single goal. Bro, the markets have been dead this week. Like, I was so bleak this week. My biggest thing is I was just like, damn, like, I want to finish this funded account for the guys. And literally just been chilling. But again, I think it's more a discipline thing than now.
Yeah.
Just to show you're still in your hands.
I must say, ever since the challenge started, or I started a new challenge, I must say I've been much more disciplined. Even though I don't take all the trades on my funded, then it may also make me question sometimes trading with my personal. So I have calmed down a lot.
You have, but the problem I still have is the fact you're taking on a personal but on your funded.
Yeah.
That means you don't trust the setup. You shouldn't be taking that trade.
No, but I also showed Chris. Okay, I'm not going to talk about it now. but remember the thing I showed you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that kind of puts me off, man.
Bro, you have to. A funded account is never going to have raw spreads.
Shit.
I can show you the FTMO does not have a raw spread. No funded account because of the capital. Then you could put 100 lots on a buy, sell, stop, and just enter close.
King Shaq says why is for Bally's. So the only reason why I have this phone is because I wouldn't say I bought the phone. The phone was kind of given to me. So yeah. But I want an iPhone. I want an iPhone. Maybe when Keegan gets a payout, maybe he'll place me with his.
You gotta get boss Caitlin, bro. She's already booked this phone. So don't even look at me. Maybe Chris is looking to be a sugar daddy. Hey, Jason, I've actually had a really good week on gold. Oh, really?
Oh, nice, Jason.
Awesome, brother. iPhone 12 still good, yeah. Grant US30, when daylight saving changes again next month, are you streaming times going to change? Yes, brother. We'll be back at 3:30.
Yeah.
So we'll actually get some more time in the New York sessions again. Offers 3 to 5.
Yeah, Dorito, no bad stuff.
Bro, my girl also claims all my old phone keys, bro. It's a thing, eh? That's why I'm like, I need to look after it, so that I know it can go to her. So when I get a new one, she doesn't have to be like, now we need 2 of them. What are you loving it now?
Nah, just Mo. I was being naughty. You see now how he look now, like he's guilty of something.
Just got a small short from Asia lows on gold just now. Wait, what? Slashy, I'm hoping you're talking about this sell, bro. Because that's not really a short sell, like that's a nice move. But other than that, I don't know what other short you're talking about from Asia lows. Calling for daylight savings, bro. Same, yeah. What's your next phone, Keegs? I was gonna get the 15 now, probably like the 15 Pro Max, June, July. But then it's so close to September, August when the new one comes out. So I was like, I'll probably just get the 16 then when the 16 comes out. Keys, I took buy when we came back above the S1 on the 15-minute time frame. So you entered over there, bro.
Yeah, we took that same trade, Jason.
Brian, I don't know about you, but all my girl does on her phone is TikTok, IG, Pinterest, and yeah, mine's just Pinterest and IG. Yeah.
And photos.
Yeah. That's literally it. I must say I'm blessed. I never had a chick that was like stuck on the whole Candy Crush thing. 2019. Okay, bit of a random place. You took it in the middle of like a candle, but still a good move. 15 are worth the money. My 13 Pro Max is honestly as good. King Shack. So the only difference, bro, is if you're a content creator and you shoot from your phone, the 15 will kill a 13 Pro Max because it can shoot in what's it, V-roll. What vlog? What's it called? But it can shoot in that flat color profile palette. So when you have to color grade, you can do that. Raw red footage. Yeah, but it's got a name for it. It's not raw red footage. It's V something. I mean, it's earlier. Oh yeah. If you haven't spent at least 30 minutes taking a picture of your girlfriend, are you really a bro? Somewhere in that boyfriend also meant like personal photographer. No, now before stream, brother. Oh, damn. But Slashy, but where did you... Are you sure you didn't mean Asia highs? I think you meant Asia highs because you said Asia lows. Because that would make sense then if you took that just before stream now, the Asia highs shorts. I shorted Asia highs too, lol. They're above the Asia lows now before stream. Bro? Slashy, how does that make sense? How did you short the Asia lows before stream? The only thing you could have short is if you literally, that was your trade. Like literally that little move there. Is that what you took? Because that's Asia lows before the stream. The stream started at 4. And that was over here. We haven't even got to Asia lows yet. So that was the time at Asia lows. I'm saying, are you sure you don't mean Asia highs? Okay, sus. Or, okay, sus. You are the camera for you would help. Why not the S24 Ultra then? I will never, ever, ever have an Android, bro. Never. And again, that's actually the thing. So that's just the thing people don't understand. They focus on megapixels. But the way iPhone captures light, that's the whole thing about why the iPhone camera is better. So again, it's not about the megapixels, it's how they capture light. Little thing there for you guys. So that's why iPhones won't always have what Android has on the megapixels, because they're not focused on that. I always remember this, guys. When you have a solid base, you don't need to change the base. You refine it, and that's all that iPhone does. Lol, I've had iPhone and Android, and I would still prefer Android. Nah, never. I will never, ever, ever. The only guys that ever told me have preferred Android are guys that are just Androids now. Like Peter, I know what you're, but I'll never, ever have Android. I have lots of international friends, and everyone is just iPhone. Every time I see you in the chat, I get so list for Dorito chips. Alright, Asia Lows, like meant about a short man. Oh, a bar. What? Like meant a bar short, man. Bro, I'm so I'm so confused. I can buy a car in Mexico for the price of an iPhone. That's one of the reasons. Oh, hectic. Is it that expensive? I've been IS for the longest time now, but I have to say that the Galaxy Z Fold, bro, that looks good. Bro, why do I want to fold my phone? Like, why do I want to do that? If it can fit in my pocket straight, why do I want to fold it to put it in my pocket? I just don't get the point of this. Like, you're trying to show off something that, what's the point in showing that off? They're the best Jim knows, yeah. Not a sell, brother. I bought Asia Lows. Oh, you bought Asia Lows on 5 minute, then closed out Asia Highs.
Sorry, quickly, Keeks.
Okay, I'm with you now.
Do you want something to drink? Coke, water?
No, I'm good, brother. Shot.
Okay.
Okay, no, now I'm with you, Slushy. Now I'm with you, brother. Okay. Terry, gang. What's up, guys? What's up? That is mad. Why though? You're right next to the US. Yeah, bro, when you say that, I mean, okay, to be fair, in SA, I can also buy a car for the price of a new iPhone, but it's not a car I want to be driving. I think I'm risking my life in a car that's that price. But you know, guys, that's actually another story. Eh? What's your thoughts on this one? Okay, I'm not gonna say anything. Okay, I want your guys' opinion on this. You guys answer in the chat while we wait here. Oh, guys, markets are open. 4 minutes already. We're still waiting for a little confirmation. Yeah, so we'll just see what happens. Basically, just watching DXY. So let's just see what happens. If DXY is getting weaker, I can't be selling gold. So yeah. But what I was gonna say, what are your thoughts on a guy that's a trader, drives a Polo, but has a 500,000 Rolex? What's your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I don't know what to say. Yeah, I feel like, yeah.
I would never ever pay more than 15k for a phone, like ever, no matter what. But King Shay, if you have a 13 Pro Max Brew, that thing's already more than 15k. So what are you saying? If you look on the 5 and above, Asia lows should be around 3-year side. I took a buy from Asia lows at the 3-year side, then gold broke above Asia highs. Wanted to hold on that break, but DXY active sus. Okay, awesome. Has he scam? Not possible, no way. Smart. Then the guy is dumb. I refuse to buy a phone that is more than my food bill for the month. Yo. His priorities mixed, gifted Rolex, fake Rolex. Maybe the Rolex is fake. Nah, bro, I got mine from Dubai for like 14k. Oh, alright. Sell the Rolex and Polo, improve your life, sir. Rolex is at least investment if it is real. Jeff Bezos drove a Mazda for years while being a billionaire. Wow, you have to have the one guy in the chat that says that. Rolex can go up, Polo goes down. I'd rather live like that, Keegs, to each. What? I'd rather live like that, Keegs, too. Each on their own, I guess. So, Dorito, hold on. You have a Polo, but have a 500,000 Rand Rolex. Why? Sure, the Polo, I'm that guy. Hold on. So, to be honest, I wouldn't buy either. My thing is, yo, guys, just waiting. Yeah, I can't sell this. DXY is literally not getting weaker, really, or stronger. So it just doesn't make sense. I'd rather drive a car I enjoy. Plus, I love collecting watches, bro. What did you enjoy about a Polo?
With voice, I'm out of here.
You're gonna have to end the stream, bro.
I'll do it from my laptop in a moment.
Okay.
Check him out, ski.
Rock on.
Yeah, Polo with pops and bangs. No, bro, that is the most common thing on the planet. A TSI, bro. Normal Polo TSI. All that front wheel drive. Yeah. Yeah, see, their gold's turning around a bit now. Oh shit, not the TSI. Roger, I am baked, but brew that mistakes I don't make anymore. Scrap that, man. Always put dream sub is the Polo with pops and bangs. Yo. Wanna see Selena? Yeah, let's see it, bro. Wondering what the Forgotten Friday song will be, especially with the when I have real estate that can pay for expensive cars, then I'll look like for a Beamer or Benz. Polo with pops and bangs sounds euthanic, bro. It is literally. The number plate is iconic. Oh, okay. But guys, Friday Forgotten Bangers. Ooh. You're naughty. What are we gonna go with? We're gonna have a good one there, guys. I'm not Lambo, small exotic cars. I'm more of exotic SUV guy. Hashtag G-Wagon. Yeah, bro, you should have appreciated in the G-Wagon we had the other day. Jenner beef cows for Labola. What's so wrong about the keys? I mean, if it was a GTI, I'd understand. No. No. Maybe you don't want to pay for much petrol, bro. Yo. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Always buy land over cars. Yeah. That I can agree with. There's a business perspective, yeah. Jeff, have you tried the new Views flavors? Ripping it right now and it's great.
Raja, bro.
I was really gonna say it
Bro,
now.
that's kak brand.
Yeah.
Yo, you puff once and it's out. Might as well smoke Inkies.
Yeah. Keegan make me addicted to the 15-minute chart. What? Did you guys hear about the brother who lost his girlfriend at the Omali concert yesterday? She she was up on him on stage, and all him could do was watch.
Sure.
Yo. But then that's not a real one, bro. That's just like a little slit.
Yeah.
Euro USD Batman.
Let me check with Robin.
Let Jeff check that one out for you.
No, guys. This is which time frame are you referring to the Batman? I don't see a Batman here. I see more like a Disney castle.
Disney castle. I love how you say that now, bro. Look at this. Now there's like Disney music playing. See, this is what you did to us.
It's cake.
This is what you did to us.
Let me show you guys what I mean by that. How do you do that thing where you... How do you do that thing where you insert the picture? Anyway.
Wait, what?
Here's your castle. So here's your thingy, and there's your heights, and then... Yeah, so no Batman, but Disney. This is a dope song.
I know what you're talking about, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. When he excited for the concert, they were laughing at him. 7 years down the drain for 3 minutes on stage with her favorite artist, Eva Wood, we live in. But why can't Land Cruiser Bucky depreciate to affordable amounts? I guess if you buy 200 cows, where are all the feed coming from, brother? You even live in SA. Imagine one at the venue laughing at you because they know that your girl, villain. Yo. Guys are getting, yes, they're getting touched, yeah. I don't know why you carry on, bro. That's your goal. Screw that shit. I'm ready with the next Betty to me. Then that's how chick wants to dada, you move on. Don't know why you still sitting there worrying about that.
That guy should watch some Andrew so we can put it in place.
I feel like you like an Andrew Tate fan, like big Andrew Tate fan.
To an extent. I don't agree with everything he says. I also don't believe that he's a perfect example for young kids. I mean, you can tell kids, oh no, fuck hella bitches and, don't be loyal because you're rich. And nah.
What are you gonna do when you're rich, Jeff?
How rich? And what do you mean?
Well, I love how the first question was how rich.
I feel like if I had like let's say formal, I'd buy myself a proper house. I get a car for myself and a family car.
Can Michaela drive?
No, unfortunately not. We will get there. But if I'm like super wealthy, yeah, definitely gonna get a bank, fund some politicians, start some news outlets of my own.
Start some what?
News outlets, like
news outlets.
Yeah, like
so you can spread conspiracies.
No, like I would say, no, not conspiracies, but just our truth. Let me put it this way.
What do you mean our truth?
Let me put it this way. I feel like when we watch the news nowadays, all there is like negative things happening in the world. So like we all think the world is so bad, but we need a positive news channel. I feel like that would motivate people so much. There's actually a page I follow. It's called Global Positive News, and the post on there is like, sometimes I'm in tears. Like, wow, that's sweet. good people still exist. And you,
Ish.
what would you do, Geeks, if you were rich?
I'd live my life, bro. Like, to the best. I'd literally draw up, like, my top 100 bucket list, and I will go make it a mission to tick every 100 things off the list.
Nice.
Just enjoy it.
No, Vince, trust me. Once the bank launches, I'll give you all accounts, even bonus for making your first deposit.
And the shuffle's over, guys. As I said, still at this point in time, DXY finally getting a bit of strength, but still nothing for me to truly just take a jab here at gold yet. Pardon my French, Chad. Wait, what did you say? GJ, alright. Sorrows, lol. Sorrows. Alright. Jeff trying to become Jerome Powell. I swear that's Jeff's mission in life. I think we already gave him an insight though. He's in the complete wrong industry if that's what he wants to do. But
Now this is why I say like I want to become rich, and I'll fund politicians. So if you don't tell you if you don't do what I tell you to do, then I'll take away your funding. Like
I swear you're literally the whole thing you're fighting against is what you want to do.
the only thing is the people who do it currently, they don't have the people's interest in mind.
And how did you can't call the kettle black and then you do it. Like
I would feel more comfortable.
of course you're gonna feel more comfortable if it's you. Yes.
But yeah, just remember, Chad, we're all in this together. It's my vision for us to control the world's economy.
Don't listen to this man, Chad.
We can be the market makers.
No.
Imagine we all come on the stream like, guys, let's buy, and we move the market. Sure, we generate liquidity.
I don't think that's how
Ooh.
it works. I really don't think that's how it works.
Nah, Dorito, not 2028. The vision is for 2047 to be all over Africa.
Hey, Jeff. Just should buy and sell the whole day. Jeff will be FOMC chair by 2025. Yes, it's bro. Then we in shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna give mixed.
You are
I'll give
crazy, I
I'll
love
give
it.
mixed signals a split.
Jeff is gonna be that guy that's gonna hunt everyone's buy and sell stops.
Neil, I'll always say this, ne? My view on the market makers and the ideology. If anyone can prove me wrong that there is not a cabal who
What?
a cabal,
What the hell's that?
like a cult. So if I can be proven wrong that if we go back to the founding fathers of America and all that, can prove to me that they weren't Masons and things like that, then
What
I'll
does the
be,
Masons have to be about it?
because in Masonry, judges are Masons, police officers are Masons. I'm not saying all of them.
Okay,
I'm
I've got Masons in my family.
I'm not saying all of them. But yeah, this is guys. If we go down this rabbit hole, yeah.
No, man, Jeff. The whole thing is my biggest thing is you want to be proven wrong, but you haven't proved anything right.
Because up until I wouldn't say I haven't proved. Well, it goes two ways.
Yeah.
It goes two ways. They can't prove me wrong that there is no minion on the other side creating liquidity. Also can't per se prove it. However, looking at the psychology of how the market operates, I always put it this way: there's this whole market with loads of money. If I was, for instance, in control of the stock market, I wouldn't put it all entirely in the hands of a robot or an algorithm. This goes back to why I don't agree with ICT. There is certain things in place, obviously, to automate certain things, but I do believe that there is an extent of like actual influence.
Don't be that guy, Jeff. Don't be that guy. Yeah, guys, I'm just looking for like a better. I'm just looking for a better playlist. Yeah, this thing's gonna literally put me to sleep anytime soon. Yeah.
Sam, so the first time I did a challenge, I bought a 50k challenge. I paid 5,000 rand for it. And I didn't understand what the drawdown rule means. I thought you're not allowed to close the day below that, right? So the first time I traded that, I obviously breached the account. I was like, okay, so this is what the drawdown means. Then, what was it? What was it again? I know I bought another challenge after some time, and for some reason also like I failed it. Then I got a free challenge from Trade Locker, and I passed it. And then the moment I got to the funding stage, they took my account away. Then the whole promotion thing ended, and everyone lost their accounts. And ever since then, just like I've been struggling to get funded. However, Keegan and Chris has been holding me accountable a lot. So for instance, the other day, Chris said, Jevin, come, let's sit down. Let's identify, like, he said, like, show me your personal account and show me your prop firm accounts. And it's like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, you're profitable on your personal account, but what's happening here? So then Chris literally sat down, like, we wrote down all the certain things where I could be going wrong. And we realized that on my funded accounts, because I trade small accounts, I have a big risk basically. So then we determined that my problem on the fund accounts is risk management. So that is my underlying issue. So then from there is also like what I told Keegan. Now I buy these challenges for instance. I'm scared to risk too much because I'm scared to go into that drawdown to breach. Now I make small profits and it's like, but I make this on my personal account. Now I go bigger and then I take that hit and it's like, now I'm down and it's like, oh shit, I have to get back to break even. And like, you know, I machine gun and I cash and cack. However, I've had my account now for I think 2 weeks now, and I'm just slightly above break even. So to me, that is already massive progression compared to other prop firm challenges I've done.
Key scan so I can delete. What thing do you send it to, brother? Keys, you want to send a voice note forecast for upcoming news events? Who is that? Oh, that was Vince yesterday.
Oh yeah, and also Sam, the other thing is there's a psychological challenge I'm also facing in regards to the numbers I'm seeing. That's the other thing.
But also, hold on, like, King Shape, bro, I don't know where you sent this, bro. There's nothing sent here. Where did you send it? Banter, chat. Ah, there we go. Bro, you just deleted it. I'm like literally looking at the. I was like literally busy looking at it.
Keys, aren't you cold?
Cold?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, no, it's fine. You can leave the aircon on and get my jacket.
Sorry,
quickly.
I'll send you an IG. Okay, cool. Yeah, I can send you an IG. You can turn it off though, bro. It doesn't bother me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just really sensitive.
What is going on with these things? I'm gonna lose my mind with these playlists today. No, sorry guys. I need to put something else on. Like I'm gonna literally lose it. Yeah.
Sam, is there a way to make one trade in your funded and personal account? Do you mean like where you place one trade and it copies to both accounts? If that's the case, you need to get a trade copier.
like and subscribe.
What if I don't want to? Why? What is with all these freaking playlists? What the hell's going on here?
Check you, Ruben. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Just don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Don't worry, bro. There's a lot of things. You've got a good night out ahead of you. You're still not doing this. You.
Yeah.
US30 drop big time. What's up, guys? But yeah, cheers, brother. I may have a similar problem with my small prop account. Contemplating buying a 100k account and trade near it to my demo. 7.5 million on gold this week. End of the day, Neil, a demo means fuck all, bro. It means nothing. I don't care. You can make $1 billion on a demo. It means nothing because there's no emotion. There's no psychology. There's no anything going to trade in that. So you need to be trading a live account to really understand the whole market situations.
See, alpha markets isn't a scam per se because we all fall under the same umbrella because people can say Volt's a scam too. The problem is how they run it and who is running it. That is the problem.
Cheers, King. Have a lekker one, brother. DXY, come on. Can I get back in the Asia range? As I say, guys, I'm just not seeing any match up here to take anything.
Yeah, from my side, prices fall away from my zones.
In the meantime, I think we're gonna find out Friday if we're going to bang it. Let's see what we're gonna go with for our Friday forgotten banger, ladies and gents. I'm also done for the day. Markets look dead, y'all, bro. Markets are so dead. We got it, Chad. We got it.
Check you, Ashlyn. Have a good weekend.
You ready for the Friday forgotten banger, Jeff?
Yes.
All right. I think this is a good one, guys. I think this is a goodie. Oh, I think anyone, if you are around about our age, you should know this song, guys. Jeff, you should definitely know this song, bro.
Let's hear. Let's hear.
Come on, Chad. Let's see. Who knows this song, Chad?
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yo.
What a song, bro.
I remember the days when I hit puberty. Yo.
It literally was, eh? Like, this is what we were growing up to. And
Yo.
even still, bro, like, we then eventually started going out. This is in the clubs. This is everywhere. You can see every white man in the club singing to this, bro.
Yo.
This was a
Memories, man.
good time to be alive. It's Friday, baby. Let's see if we can get something here on the markets.
Yo, I'm gonna jam this all weekend, bro. Yo.
This is like when we had no problems in life.
Yo.
This was the only issues in life was when you had to get some money together to take your Betty to like the movies or go get ice cream. That was it, bro.
Yo. Good times, man. Good times. Then we chose to get violated by the stock market.
Tonight is the night. 100% guys. I was a bartender in a nightclub, lol. Jay, Sean. This is actual music. This was the time, bro. There's no music like this nowadays. There isn't. I was a school DJ and I played this on Fridays. Full margin Friday, ready to over leverage the shit out of everything. We were singing our lungs out at this time. Yo, bro, these were bangers. I'm currently on site and always hate the question after question. Recession blues, I was freaking broke all the time. In fact, there really ain't no yeah, like, bro, there's not music like this anymore. There isn't. Honestly, that 2000s era, the 2000s and early like 2010s, that was the year, bro.
Hey Raja, I spoke to the market maker. There's no liquidity yet. He'll phone me when. I receive a text that says the golden frog is ready to leap.
Oh, there we go, guys. Even our boy Lil Wayne telling us the economy is going to be going down. So don't you worry, guys. Those rate cuts are coming.
Yeah, Raja, Joe Biden. So if I had to stop, it's not my fault, it's Joe's fault.
Oh, what a time to be alive, Chad.
Yo.
What a time. Yo, what a number. And then we stuck with these little Justin Biebers of today. One Direction. Yo. How the times have changed, eh?
Sure. One day we're gonna have kids, we're gonna listen to these songs, and then
Bro,
our kids gonna be like, "What's our parents listening to?"
100%.
And then we're gonna say,
kids are getting raised
and then
on.
we're gonna say like, "You guys don't know. Dis voor die tyd. Waar was jy jare geweest?"
That is 100% the stuff our kids are growing up on, bro.
Doritos requesting a song by Sean Kingston, Eeny
Eeny
Meeny.
Meeny.
Yo.
Okay, bro, but hold on. To be fair, Eeny Meeny is actually by Justin Bieber. It actually is by Justin Bieber.
True.
Sean Kingston's a feature on it. But that is a good song, bro. That was also a banger growing up. But don't worry, we still got the numbers coming, guys. We got the numbers coming. What's up, Sleepy Joe? Press the button to dump the markets. Okay, DXY getting its feet in back, ladies and gents. Let's see what can happen here. Lil Wayne's my first and only little rapper. I'm gonna G's. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy, brother. Save me a Lil Wayne. Especially when you drop fitment. Yeah, bro. Is dollar weakening? Bro, does dollar look like it's like at the moment it's getting its strength back? So let's see. Let's see, guys. DXY really looking a bit more comfortable again, back in the Asia range. I don't want to take anything too late now. Like DXY really getting some like foot in there, but if I had to take something now, like hold it for like what, 20 minutes? I don't know. It's a bit of like a choosing your battle here. Nice music for the Friday. Yeah. Gotta get the energy levels up. A lot of guys are tired on Friday, guys. It's also a weekend now, though. Gotta look at it that way.
What's your plans for the weekend, Geeks?
Well, literally, as Edgar's sending me now a message, I'm benching tomorrow morning for the Vault team. So I'm doing that.
Yeah, I also wanted to compete, but it won't be fair if I go bench press. I'm driven, you guys, you know. Can't take...
It's unfair when you weigh nearly as much as the ball, bro. But yeah, I'm doing that, and then I know there is something else. I can't tell you what it is though now. I'm in a blank. I'm probably gonna go spend some time with family. My brother's back from New Zealand now, my brother-in-law. So probably go see the family.
Nice.
And then I have a mate I need to just go see how he's doing. So other than that, just chilled out, nothing crazy. And your side?
Packing because we're moving. Lunch with Miles tomorrow. I have to work on alchemy day 4. I have to work this weekend.
Oh, the grind, bro. Don't worry, I've got actually content to do, but I'll probably do a little bit maybe Saturday night and then the rest on Sunday.
Yeah.
Oh, and then Sunday morning I've got the last session with the project guys. The guys officially their last session.
Wow.
And then basically we just have our one-on-ones with them after that. But yeah, Sunday their last session before graduation. I'm gonna grab Black Label. I haven't had it in a minute. My weekend plans involving liquidating my account, trading crypto. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna touch that. DXY going up, gold going up. I'm not touching it. One of them are gonna fake out. There's no war or anything going on at the moment that should be geopolitically pushing them both. Okay, well, Jeff, you looking at anything, bro?
But the only thing is the time, man. Okay, can you share my screen?
You are live.
Okay, so like, typical end of the week who's getting trapped, buyers or sellers. So this zone over here, I would like to see DXY do this and initially drop. However, change of character, so price could also do this now and then go here and then end the week something like this. So then looking on EU, we also have a similar thing. So it's either something like that or it moves up and moves down. But then the thing on DXY is if we see this happen and it pushes down, it could potentially push gold to the zone I have over here and then cause that to happen most likely. But like I said, the thing is the time now, it's a bit out.
No, it won't drive up gold.
Okay, I see.
No, I'm asking the question that the guy was asking. No.
Oh.
He was asking about if Nvidia's pump up would drive up gold because they use so much gold in the chips. No, it won't. Quick question regarding Nas and US30. Where can I find the best trading strategy? Vivesh, very, very simple, bro. When you figure out how to understand how a woman's mind works, you will have the golden nugget for trading. So when you figure that one out, do us a favor, let us all know as well. But then, yeah, Jeff, if you're not going to trade anything, we're gonna call it, brother. It's Friday. It's.
Yeah, we can.
I mean, there's nothing really.
Yeah, like even if I'm not gonna hold something for a few minutes and then break even.
Yeah, that's why I said I'm gonna take this. Gold already fake out, having a little bit of a turnaround, but I'm not interested. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it, guys. I guess never then, bro. Yeah, there's not a best strategy, bro. All strategies work. You just have to implement them the right ways. Understand the pairs, understand your entry criteria. It's not about having the best strategy for that pair, if that makes sense. Hopefully next week is better. Back with some lacquer USD. Yeah, guys, next week, I mean, majority of the pairs I trade are obviously all dollar pairs. And literally next week, we've got major news every single day. So hopefully we can get something nice on the charts. But yeah, guys, I think that's going to be it. Before we close off, though, I think we'll finish off with one little naughty banger there for you guys, just to end the Fridays. For all the OGs, you guys should know very well this song as well. Next and March is coming up. Yeah. So lots to look forward. But again, guys, if you didn't, go check out that podcast you did with Miles. Very, very awesome podcast. Very lucky guy. And then also, Jev, any words of wisdom for the weekend?
I always say this, do something your future self will thank you for. So if you complain about your current situation, but you're going to go do something that puts you further back, you are responsible for that.
There we go. Beautiful. All right, guys, for myself, honestly, take a break. Chill out. This was a cuck week on the markets. I know some of you guys are down on accounts and things like that. Just take a break. Regather yourself. Maybe on Sunday, just have a look at what you did, where you went wrong, what you could have done better, and come back stronger on Monday. Don't take it to heart. It's never an egotistical thing on the charts. It's you versus you, and you just have to get better than what you were previously. So other than that, guys, thanks for always joining in. Again, Monday, opening bar with myself and Chris. The Wall Street sessions with myself and Jev. And don't be scared to go check out those things. If you haven't, drop a sub and a like. It really helps the channel grow. We're on the road to 10K. And trust me, guys, at 10K, there's some big things happening, some big giveaways as well. So the quicker we get there, the better it is for you guys. But yeah, have a good one, guys. And we're going to finish off with this little number. But other than that, it's myself and Jev.
Thank you, guys.
And we wish you the best. Peace and love, baby.
And we love you. We love you so much.
Cheers.
You know how you do it, man. It's a trip. People don't even believe we're together right now. But tell your story. You know the one I like. Right? Say it for me.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out on loan. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. Yeah.
Going off of this, going off of that. With the Lizard King bumping in the back. How about that? Drifting, lifting, swifting, coasting, testing, roasting. But the wheels won't stop. 200 on the highway, fresh up off the block. He's a rider, nah, he's a killer. Dressed in all black, but his hat says Stella. Pedal to the metal. I gotta go hard, drive by and say hello. Hey, Fred Wreck, you my mellow. Now let me hear what I sound like a cappella. Roll, ride, dip, sweat. Now bring it back, just like this. Like a dog without his bone. I like a G without his chrome. It's hard to imagine the homie dog in the jag and he checking for the checkered flag. Coming in first, never in last. Cause my car too fast. I never ever run out of gas. Cause I'm just too clean, I do it upper class. So fast in your seatbelts, it's so hot, it'll even make heat melt. So get aboard and roll and ride, slip through the
Like
storm.
a dog without a bone, an actor out alone, riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. Yeah. In India.
Need for speed, I'm trying to take the lead. Hold on, little homie, before you run into them trees. I see things that I never would've saw before. Hey, yo, Jim, let 'em in, let 'em in. Open up, my back tire smoking up the whole street. And now the police wanna flash their lights and chase the dog all night. But I won't pull over, nor give up, cause I just don't give up. Yeah, I'm from the side, boy, where we was born and raised. Straight up to ride, boys, continuously. We get to it expeditiously. We keep the light on, east side on, Snoop Dogg in the doors, and yeah, we about to ride on.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out on loan. Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm.
your button the same. Do donuts in a like that 6'4" Apollo. Holla, you got kitty car, candy painted, a famous, and I got like Mario and Dreddy. I'm heavy up on that gas pedal, breaking competition. I dip them, they get the brass metal. B12, you can't see me. I'm taking over with speed. I got a fast car, crash part of pass. I need speed when I fly through the hood. The butter soft like the wood. Them 24s looking good. Throw up the keys. The big body, cool drivers, the big truck, the low riders. We letting no one get by us. I need speed when I'm racing that strip. I got the button and chip. Your car like something to strip. Throw up the keys. The hoopty whips to the squatters. Whoever putting up dollars, holler. We see a car hotter. Yo, I'm cutting corners like I'm crazy. I know how to burn them. Me and my car got a bomb like we Michael Knighted. Throw it in fifth, throw it to fourth, break it back down to third. Bring it back up to six once around this curve. I feel attention, not to mention the intervention from them coppers. We got